Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Usually my mindset is prepare for the worst and expect the best. That's why I am always preparing for the worst by telling you that even if we are in a bear market or we will go down, we do have a plan, we will make an investment, a plan, a strategy which will give us some big gains in the next bull market. That's why I am showing you copy trading info and copy trading options in case you want to still trade in the bear market and use some professional analytics. By the way, about that video, tomorrow is coming another one. But they expect the best. They expect the good things because we also need to prepare for that. If we are not prepared for the good things, then we will not be able to profit in the gains. And today we have reasons to prepare for the best. Before we start, the usual, use a VPN, and if you want to get in contact with me, Twitter or Discord, everything is in the description. Now, I will tell you another thing a bit later why you should use a VPN, and that is connected to the fact that UK wants to ban Binance. Now, we will get back to that later, maybe in another video. Now we have more important things to do. This is the Bitcoin chart. And as you can see, I'm trying to follow with my lines here the Wyckoff criteria, the Wyckoff accumulation. Just to show you, here it is. It says that we should have in phase C a spring and a test. Now if you look at the chart, this pretty much looks like it. But how can we know that this is not a fake chart? And obviously we can't know that for sure, for 100%, but we can have some assumptions. And that is the Glassnode on-chain data. As you can see here, this is the USDT, the Tether exchange net position change. This just shows when people deposit into exchanges and when people withdraw from exchanges. If somebody doesn't know, the good thing is when somebody puts USDT into exchange because they want to invest, and the bad is when they are withdrawing or just transferring out from exchange. That shows that they will not invest it in crypto. Now in the last 2 days, on the 24th and 25th of June, in a total of $3.4 billion worth of Tether was deposited into exchanges. And that says something. Just remember that Elon Musk or Tesla invested 1.5 billion. Going back to the Wyckoff stuff, right now, to be honest, we are confirming, we are following the Wyckoff accumulation. As you can see, I wrote here spring and test, both with question mark, because obviously we can't know. I tell you when we will know. We will know when we break these two resistances, because that is going to be the phase D. If you just go back, you will see here that the phase D and staying above these two resistances confirms that yes, we are still in a bull market, we are gonna go up. Just to put this into perspective, by breaching these two resistances, that will put us above 42,000, and that is the 200 days moving average that will start to form a golden cross, which is an invert of the price direction, and yes, that's when people will start to FOMO in. I still want to warn you about one thing, and that is the CME gap. As you can see, I highlighted here at around 32,000 that the CME gap over the weekend was created. Now this could be filled, meaning the price could go down, maybe with a whip or with just a big movement or many small movements to fill in the gap. If this happens, the gap is filled. But this support is not broken, so the price will do something like this. Then I will be buying Bitcoin with confidence. Now I will set up some buy order here because usually the price fills those gap. Next one is about Elrond team and MEX token. Now, as you can see, the testnet is running. They are in the last phase of testing the Maiar exchange, and they posted some pictures, and on this picture they say that one MEX will be priced to $0.49. I know that everybody just can't wait to get the final price of the MEX token, and previously they posted a 1 point something dollars, which, as I said, seemed a bit unrealistic for me. In this phase of the testnet, this 0.49 might be the real price which we get, and yeah, just remember, we get it for free. Even though the MEX tokens will be locked for 1 year, this is free money. So yeah, let's be happy about that. Last but not least, I invested in paid network again, and a lot of questions were raised what people should do with unrealized loss when you are in minus but you still didn't sell your tokens. Now let me show you one example. I will go with the paid network. As you can see, with the paid network, I'm now in minus 75%, but before that I was in minus 96. And the reason I'm in minus 75 now is the following. First, I bought for 4.46, and right now the price, as you can see, is around 0.4. What else happened? I invested there $450 with a gas fee of $40. So yeah, it was kind of a big gas fee, but I said paid network looks a very good project to me, and I think on long term this is gonna work out. Yesterday I said that if I take out the money from the Uniswap tokens, I will have a 90% loss, because yeah, I invested around $1,000 in them, and now the net worth is like 100, 200, something like that. So it's yeah, it's not very appealing. The thing is that yesterday the paid network went down to 0.32, and I invested another $97. But the difference is that while I got 110 tokens for the 450, for the 97 I got a 289 tokens, and in plus I got another 11 tokens just for holding it for more than 7 weeks. This was kind of a promise from the paid network platform. They said that after the hack, everybody who holds it for at least 7 weeks gets a 10% airdrop, which I got. Now, if you are in minus and you still have money to invest, and you believe in the project, and you believe that yes, this will work out on long term or medium term, the best way to make profit is to reduce the average cost. In the first time with this bigger sum invested, I had an average cost of 4.46. Now with this buy and with this bonus, let's say, right now my average cost is 1.53. If the price would start to move and I would still have this 4.46, I would need to wait more than 10x to make it even. Right now, I only need to wait 4x, around 4x, and I think the price is already moving somewhere. Let's see, it went up like 14%, but this is due to Bitcoin. So my chances are already better. Now, if this goes even lower, if this goes down to 0.1, for example, I will invest another $100, just $100, because yeah, with that I will reduce the average price at around 0.6, something like that. And if we don't continue the bull market, if paid network doesn't go back up, then I will hold it for 2 years, 3 years. I will continuously reduce my average price by only investing $100 at a time, depending where are the dips. And in the next bull run, when these type of small tokens do 50, 100x, I will have a pretty good average price in order to make some profit. So this is what I wanted to talk about today. Hope you got some answers. Hope you like the content. If you do, press the like button, and yeah, tomorrow another video is coming about copy trading. I will present you a platform, and more of them are coming, but I still think that we are in a bull market. And yeah, I believe more and more that this Vycop accumulation is happening, and we will make some profit of it. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow.